How to delete Facebook activity all at once. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now from here, scroll down and find your activity section. Then tap on activity log from here. Tap on activity history. Now from here, you can view all of your activity, tell date so you can view your visit and your SGs from here. If you want to delete any specific one of them, tap on the three dots beside that post, and then tap on the delete option. Tap on delete for confirmation, and once you do that, that specific post or activity will be deleted. However, if you want to delete all of these all at once, then for that, go back on the main settings page, tap on Account Sender, then from here, tap on your information and permissions. Now tap on your activity of Meta Technologies. Here, tap on Clear Previous Activity. Now tap on Clear, go through all of this, and finally, tap on Clear Previous Activity. And once you tap on this option, all of your Facebook activity will be deleted all at once. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.